If you can sew a rectangle, you can sew a sleeve placket. This is Diane from Style Falcon. Let me show you how using my make-a-point dress pattern. Start on the wrong side of the sleeve. You're going to put the placket pieces right side to sleeve wrong side. Narrow side gets the narrow placket, the wide side of the sleeve gets the wide placket. And sew both of them down with a 1/4 inch or 6 millimeter seam allowance. Now that the placket pieces are sewn on, you can cut open the sleeve at the line indicated on the pattern and use a 45-degree angle to cut into the corners a little bit. Flip the sleeve over to the right side and wrap that narrow placket around the opening you just cut to encase that raw edge. Fold down the raw edge of the placket a 1/4 inch or 6 millimeters, and then edge stitch it into place. Do the same folding and pressing on the wide side of the placket, and also fold down the top about 5/8 of an inch or 1.5 centimeters to encase that raw edge. Edge stitch the wide placket on top of the narrow placket, and then sew a decorative square or something else on the end to secure both plackets together. That wasn't so bad, was it? And now that you're a pro at plackets, why not try a designer look with contrasting fabric, bias cut, and other decorative ideas? Try your hand at sleeve plackets and other decorative elements with the Make-a-Point dress pattern at stylefalcon.net. This is Diane from Style Falcon. Thanks for watching.